Hello folks, I'm Kess. What's going on? Today I'm going to talk about to and enough. How do these two adverbs perform in our spoken English? That's what I'm going to explain to you today. To as an adverb is the same thing as also and as well. To is also an intensifier. When you use to with an adjective, it expresses a negative meaning. I'm too busy. When you say that, you want somebody to understand that you work a lot and it's not good for you. You don't like the fact that you are working that much. So it has a negative connotation. I have too many projects to handle at work. I have too many projects to handle at work, meaning that you are overwhelmed with work. So it's not a positive thing for you. So whenever you add to as an intensifier in your words, it means that that situation is negative for you. Enough means that the situation is positive. So enough signifies that the situation you're talking about is positive for you. I have enough time. I have enough money for my vacation. That means that you don't have to worry about money. So we use enough as an intensifier to show a positive situation. We have enough time to hand in the project. We have enough food in the house. So enough has a positive connotation. So now you know how to use these two adverbs. Now go ahead and practice.